In this video, I'll guide you through how to download a file from Google Drive. Whether you're new to Google Drive or just need a quick refresher, we'll go through the entire process in a clear, simple way so you know exactly what to expect and where your file ends up on your computer. First, you'll want to open Google Drive. You can do this by going to your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive website, or by opening it from your Google Apps menu if you're already signed into your Google account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use more than one Google account, so you see the files you actually want to download. Once Google Drive is open, you'll see your folders, recent documents, and any files that have been shared with you. Take a moment to look around the main area of the screen. This is where your files are listed. Now find the file you want to download. You can scroll through your folders, or if you have a lot of files, use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the file. This can save time and helps avoid clicking through multiple folders. After you've located the file, move your mouse over it. You're going to right-click the file to open a small menu of options. If you're on a Windows computer, this usually means clicking the right mouse button. On a Mac with a trackpad, you can use a two-finger click or hold the Control key while clicking. The exact method can vary slightly depending on your device, but the idea is the same. You're opening the file's context menu. When that menu appears, look for the option labeled Download. It's typically listed clearly among other options like Preview, Share, or Move to. Go ahead and click Download. As soon as you do this, Google Drive will begin preparing your file. For individual files, this usually starts right away. If the file is large, or if you're downloading something like a folder that Google needs to compress into a zip file, it may take a little longer. Just give it a moment to finish. Once the download starts, your web browser will handle the rest. You'll usually see a progress bar or a download icon, often at the bottom or top of the browser window, depending on which browser you're using. When the download is complete, the file will be saved to your computer. By default, most browsers place downloaded files in a folder called Downloads. You can open this folder from your File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac. If your browser is set to ask where to save each file, you may have already chosen a specific location during the download. From there, you can open the file just like any other file on your computer, move it into another folder, or back it up to an external drive. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded a file from Google Drive to your computer, and you now know exactly how to find and use it.